back to machine era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
Watch how a professional with the Mississippi 462 cm brings down a 65-ton giant pine like it's nothing. When man and machine move as one, even the forest must yield. The WRO 300X cone splitter doesn't ask, it conquers. With boosted torque up to 6,400 Newton meters, it rips through a 2-meter-long, 60-centimeter-wide pine log like butter. Efficiency, brutality, perfection. The ground shook as 30 tons of timber came crashing down. The Panguapua lost its load, but the real work begins now. Restore, reload, and roll again. A 35-horsepower John Deere 4410 versus a giant oak. And guess who wins? With steady hands and years of experience, this man shows that true strength doesn't always roar. Sometimes it hums like a well-oiled diesel engine. It doesn't break a sweat. With 214 horsepower under the hood, the Gorinich 9T Optima slices 40-centimeter logs into 8 equal parts, like clockwork. Power and precision, working as one. Don't blink. The ADT applies 80 tons of crushing pressure and splits a 1-meter log, 70 centimeters thick, into clean segments in mere seconds. This isn't just power, it's wood-shattering dominance. Don't let its vintage look fool you. This Massey 35, with just 35 horsepower, tore the Stump from the earth in seconds. Old school muscle still gets the job done. That massive 1.5-meter log didn't stand a chance. By the time the sawdust settled, the chainsaw had roared like a beast, because in skilled hands, it becomes one. Started out as a perfect pull, but then disaster struck. The tree came down with force, right onto the very truck that brought it down. This isn't just cutting wood. This is unleashing raw, mechanical fury. The Mississippi 881 howls to life and rips straight into the 80-centimeter log like it's nothing. No resistance, no hesitation. The Deemer KS 140 applies its 40-ton pressure, and the 80-centimeter wide 1.5-meter log splits apart clean and smooth, like nature meant it to happen. B768 harvester, with 330 horsepower, drops trees in just seconds. Even in cold weather, nothing slows it down. Logging at its finest, the 350 horsepower timber Pro TL 755D with the Quadco 27 SC shreds through thick forest like a hot knife through butter. This isn't just tree cutting, it's an art form. A 1-meter stump is taken down in seconds by a master of the trade. Absolutely mesmerizing. With 550 horsepower from a Scania engine, the Aero 993 wood chipper tears through logs of all sizes like a hot knife through butter. The Kabog wood hook, coupled with the 825 excavator, moves 7 tons of wood onto the truck bed effortlessly and in record time, a true display of power and precision. Jack 810, armed with 150 horsepower, is locked in a raw struggle against the earth itself. 3 tons of timber behind it, fighting inch by inch through deep, sticky mud.
Watching until the end of the video. Please share your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.